in on gas, ain't you?
Yeah.
Alright. Saying 20. Yeah, cause you burn the gas, you already done burnt some.
Yeah, I want to see some content. What's up, grandma?
Let's go. What's up, gang? You feel me? It's Furrow again with another video. You know what I'm saying? You know I'm dropping bangers all 2022. But yeah, in this video, we finna let my wife drive the SRT8, man. What I'm getting myself into. But you feel me? She can drive, you know what I'm saying? Like I had the challenge before. She used to whip it. But I'm scared, man. It's a lot more power, man. It's 100 and something more horsepower, you feel me? I ain't gonna lie though. We put the pedal box in city mode. I had to take it out the other mode, ain't even gonna lie. I'm scared, man. I'm scared. Y'all pray for me, man. Pray for your boy, man. This gonna be a lit video. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and get her reaction real quick. All the way in. You ready for that video? Why not? You scared? What up, man? What up, man? Tell the channel what's up. Tell the channel what's up, man. But yeah, man, I'm gonna catch back up with y'all, man, when we, you know what I'm saying, a whip or whatever, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm kind of scared, like I said. But, she in here making faces and stuff, man. She just don't know, man. I don't know, bro. You feel me? But they're gonna be a lit video, man. Y'all stay tuned. What do you think about it since you drove it last time? You only drove it one time. That one time you drove it, how did you feel about you driving the car? Well, you drove it 2 times. So how did you feel about driving?
It was good. I liked it. It fast. It got
Everything adjusted, right?
Yeah.
On that foot over there a little heavy.
Can I do it, don't I?
No.
Boy, if you don't...
They ain't hit it. They ain't even do nothing.
I ain't even know. I was like...
I told you he was recording you.
Nah, you gotta get me doing some stuff. Burning out and all.
Yeah, man, y'all comment down below and let me know how she doing so far, man. Why you doing your hand like that for? Anybody behind us? Hold on, let that car go. You in no fast car, but you don't know when to stop.
Yeah, I want to see some content. Where we going?
It's straight. You putting in no gas, ain't you?
Yeah.
Alright. Saying 20. Yeah, cause you burn the gas, you already done burnt some.
Yeah, I want to see some content. What's up, grandma?
Alright, man, chill out, man. Chill out. She thinks she doing something. I got that bitch in eco mode.
What is that?
I got that bitch in eco
That's the lowest?
I got that bitch in eco mode.
Well, put it up. You scared?
Ah, she thinks she doing something,
I
y'all.
know how to do something. Let me show you. Come on.
Oh, shit. Don't hold that because you can switch the manual.
Switch
You
it
heard
to
me?
city. Yeah, come on.
Yeah, you can't. Don't hold that. She said switch that shit to city.
Or whatever the fuck you call. Come on.
Oh, shit. I don't think you ready for that, though, man.
Let me put it in park. Come on.
You didn't even have to put it in park. Alright, man. I'm kind of scared to put her in goddamn track mode, man. It's in sport mode now. I don't know, man.
Green flag, green flag, green flag.
Oh, man. Make sure ain't nothing coming. Get it. Alright. We going in the curve, man. You know what I'm saying? You ain't no race car driver.
Man.
That shit loud though. Hell, let me show you. Put in park.
It's cold. I don't even know how he was standing out here. Crazy, he just passed me right here.
Take a look. Bike yet.
Can't go. I said I can't go.
You turn?
You got me fucked up.
She driving this bitch. She driving. Keep going, keep going. That's my auntie. Man, I just said that my auntie. Why you hit it like that? God dang, bro.
Well,
Just said that my auntie. You gonna hit it.
I thought you were saying that my auntie hit it. I thought you were telling me.
No, that is not what I was telling your ass.
You hyped me up, so I hit it.
I was not hyping you up.
My bad. Okay.
Boy, if you don't.
Slow on down, baby. Slow on down.
What you say about the car, man?
Man, it's good. I did good.
Nah, you ain't do good.
Yes, I did.
You need a little bit more practice.
Man, drop in the comments. I was doing my thing. Man.
You might hit that because I put that junk in eco mode before I got out the car.
No, it been in sport mode the whole time.
I'm talking about the pedal box. Yeah, you did.
No, I don't even know how it worked then.
Yeah, I thought that junk was supposed to be right here. Supposed to be right there when you were driving, so you didn't have all that power.
I did my thing. Y'all comment below.
Yeah,
how I did.
She was driving it. Look, the whole time I thought the pedal box was in city mode, but it was in track mode the whole time. So she really drove with all the power, and I had it in track mode, like a little bit down the road. I put it in track mode, and I took the traction off. So
hey,
she actually driving that bit like with the tune on too. So, but. She don't need to drive with all that on that time.
let me show y'all how good I did. Let me show you. I did my dang on thing. Look. This how you know I drove this thing good. I put a dent in the pan.
Yeah, man, that's it for this video, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. What you got to say?
Also, let me know how I did on my burnout. I know it wasn't good, but that was my first time doing one, so.
Yeah, she won't know how she did on her burnout. Chill out.
Man, better than old me.
That shit not cool, man.
He started speeding. He walking.
That ain't right, man.
He was walking with a limp, and then he started walking. Need some. I need some with some power. I don't need no little. Like the car guy, that's a little 4-cylinder. I don't need that.
You don't need one of these either. You'll always be at the gas station.
It don't matter.
It do matter because they just call like $60 to fill up.
I got my taxes.
Boy, if you don't...
If your auntie really do out that video, I'm sorry. I ain't really try to do that. I thought he was telling me to go. I thought he was telling me to hit it.
That jump right there crazy. You did mash out on it, though.
I thought you said, and then you over there shaking your head like you was sad. She better tell my mama.
Boy, if you don't...
That's gonna be it for this video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. And make sure y'all drop in the comments and let me know how she did. She really did better than what I expected, though. I ain't gonna count. But, you know what I'm saying? She scared me a little bit, though, man. A couple times, I ain't gonna lie. But, you know, she thought I was, like, telling her how to drive. I just want her to know how to drive if I'm not in here. She gotta know how to drive the whip, you know what I'm saying? We got rims on here. Try to let her know this is one of one, you feel me? One of one. It's hard to find these, you feel me? But other than that, man, she did good, man. Tell them folk, you know what I'm saying, your holiday. She go that ragged ass mask again. Let them folk know, you know what I'm saying?
What?
You ain't gonna say nothing else? You ain't gonna tell them like, comment, subscribe? Man?
Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and press that bell at the top.
Yeah.
Period.
What you want them to do?
I just told them like, comment, and subscribe.
Nah, you told them earlier what you want them to drop in the comment.
Oh yeah, drop in the comments how I did. I know my burnout was weak, but it gonna be better. Yeah. And that's on period.
All right, man. So y'all got the video, man. How many likes for another video like this?
100.
She said 100.
I don't know. I mean, what?
You gonna be waiting a long ass time.